Right, Eastern Regional Commissioner Paul ROTICH augite ndio tingari nene kana chamatote IGETIKIIRUA GUTONYA TAUNI EMBU ntuko yaruni ontuba mamburai ya Madaraka. ROTICH augite ningari ni akira china baro IGETIKIIRUA gukinya kwina stadium yonkuru kya augite AKARI BAKAMBIRIA GUTONYA KIENINE THAA KUMI cha RUKIIRI.
Now we are here today as the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Arts and Sports to officially receive Moi Stadium EMBU from the contractor. In a record 15 weeks, at a cost of 476 million shillings, we have been able to completely transform the face of this facility. Governor, you'll recall that when I first came here, I was actually completely petrified. Petrified by the amount of money we were told that your predecessors had spent on this project. The look of this project was really, really saddening.
We are here to basically just confirm to the public that the stadium is ready for the celebrations tomorrow, which will be presided over by the President, His Excellency the President. We expect a host of dignitaries, including the leaders and the public, particularly from Embu County, but also from the rest of the country.
Kiwanja giki ni gigutethia Embu County tondu twina meeting rooms kana twina halls cia kumiti guku kiwanja ari nyingi muno iria tugakomborithanagia na bei nafu kwe wananchi mavote gutungana ria maina micemania yao kana seminars yao magauka nayo mipira tukathakira kuo na ni tukuthie na mbere gukimenyerera kuringana uguo tuthomithitwe na ni tukuruta wira very closely na ministry ya sports through Sports Kenya kuhakikisha ni twavota ku manage stadium ino wega uria yagiriritwo.